simple yoga stretches for the feet. Now, first things first, I like to sit down while I'm doing this. You can stand up or even sit in a seat if you prefer. And we're going to take our first foot and we're just gently going to massage it from the ankles and then just work our way down nice and slowly, not forgetting the balls of the feet as well. Just get all that blood flow moving here. And often the feet can be quite neglected, so it's quite nice to just give it a little bit of gentle, loving care. And really give us a massage also in between the toes. Really getting the fingers in there. So once we've done that, I'm going to take my fingers here and I'm going to sit down with my foot literally on the floor, and we're going to place our fingers in between the toes if at all possible, and to really stretch out between the toes. And you want a nice sort of stretch, if you like. Obviously, if you have something like bunions or your feet are kind of starting to curl over, this is actually quite a good one to do, but you may have to start very slowly and gently and actually eventually build up. So really stretching that out. And you can hold this for a few moments if you like, 1 or 2 minutes. Obviously, again, if it's painful, just to let go, but it's such a good stretch. And then once we've done that, we're going to actually get our foot and just turn it in a round circular motion with the ankle, nice and slowly. Just one way. And then the other. And release. And just give it a little massage out with those fingers. So let's get to the other foot now. So again, placing one leg on the floor, and then we're just taking our other leg, and again, we're just gently massaging it from the ankles all the way down. If you like, if you find it easier, you can use a foot cream or even some oil, such as olive oil or some body oil. And that will actually help sort of slip and glide with the massage on the foot. Now again, not forgetting in between those toes, massaging all the way in between. Feet work very hard. And then once we've done that, we're going to place our fingers in between the toes. So I like to place my foot down, take the fingers and do it one by one, starting from the big toe and then working our way all along. You may have to hold places with your fingers to get that into alignment. So just holding it for a second. Spacing them all out. And then just very lightly, just a round circular motion, nice and lightly with the foot from the ankle. Releasing any tension within that ankle. Again, only go as far as you can. You can always build up. And then the other way. Again, if you can't sit down on the floor, you can always sit in a chair and do this. And one last time. And then again, gently release, and then just take the fingers and massage in between the toes and the feet. If you like, you can just gently work it out with the foot. I'm placing one hand on my foot so I can actually have some stability, and then the other way. And then again on the other foot. Just gently, round circular motion, getting nice movement into that ankle and the foot and the feet. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, and a comment down below if you found it useful. And I hope you did, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.